Royal Cyber, a recognized Salesforce Agentforce implementation partner, is helping a new wave of customers on board with industry-specific agents. These agents have access to real-time information from Salesforce connected systems, and with the help of Salesforce Data Cloud and Gen AI, they generate accurate, precise, and personalized information that customers can rely on. We are helping e-commerce and retail industries to serve their customers better using Royal Cyber's Cyber Agent for Retail, an industry-specific agent designed to help customers with their day-to-day service needs. Whether it's modifying orders, updating shipping address, order cancellation, exchanging an order, getting product warranty info, scheduling in-store pickup, look up for product inventory, or schedule a product assembly, our agent is always ready to assist. By automating routine tasks, it frees human support agents to focus on strategic, high-value customer engagements. Let's dive into how Cyber Agent can help customers get order information. Converse with the agent to know the status of your order and provide the order number, or simply ask the status of last order. Cyber Agent provides accurate order status by pulling real-time order information from OMS through a connected system. To update the shipping address, simply converse with the agent as you would with a customer service representative, asking them to update the shipping address for the order. Through Salesforce Workflow, Cyber Agent can perform complex tasks and not just pull data. For cancellations, Cyber Agent ensures compliance with policies while keeping customers informed at every step of the way. The result? An effortless, satisfying experience. Now, consider another scenario: lead generation. Cyber Agent identifies potential leads, crafts hyper-personalized email message by using historical information across different data sources connected to Salesforce Data Cloud, and triggers a lead nurturing journey from Marketing Cloud. This proactive approach nurtures leads, builds trust, and drives conversions. Royal Cyber brings innovation to the forefront. With Cyber Agent, ensure your business stays ahead, delighting customers and driving growth. Experience the future of customer engagement and transform your service operations with Cyber Agent.